Post-surgical rehabilitation, getting back to your best. I'm Collins Abraham. Surgery can be a life-changing event, but the recovery process is just as important as the surgery itself. With the right rehabilitation, you can get back to your normal activities faster and stronger. After surgery, your body needs time to heal, but without the right rehabilitation, you risk losing mobility and strength. In the beginning, we focus on reducing pain and inflammation. Then we work on gradually restoring your range of motion and strength. Each patient's recovery journey is unique, but with a personalized plan, we can help you achieve your post-surgery goals. If you've had surgery, don't skip rehabilitation. It's key to getting back to your best. Reach out today to start your recovery journey.